Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to calculate percentage CAGR in Excel sheet through one simple formula. Within 10 seconds you can calculate percentage CAGR. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also press like button. So let's start. So when someone tells you to calculate 5 year CAGR, then in that case you need 6 years data to calculate 5 years CAGR. So here I have given one example where I have data from CY16 to CY21. So if you calculate the gap, there is a 5 year gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you can calculate the 5 year CAGR from this data. So how to calculate it? It's very simple. You have to press equal to RRI, press tab. You have to mention the number of years. So we want for 5 year CAGR, comma, start data, comma, and data, bracket close, press enter. So this is the 5 year CAGR, which it is showing 5.4%. So it's very simple to calculate percentage CAGR in Excel. And if you want to cross check this data, you can calculate it manually also. So what is the formula for percentage CAGR to calculate it manually? Uh, Equal to bracket and data divided by start data, bracket close, is 2 power of 1 divided by period, bracket close, minus 1. So that is how you can calculate it manually in Excel. So request you to like this video. Thank you.